Pastry is super delicious. We all know that, but it is high in fat and it's not the best thing for us to eat all the time. I have one of the best things that you can use instead of pastry, which is really simple and easy and takes literally moments. All you need is bread to start with. You can choose whatever bread you like. Cut the crusts off, which I've already done, and then you just need to flatten them a little bit to make them a little bit more squishy to get in a muffin tin. If you don't have a rolling pin, just use a glass bottle or something that's a bit heavy that you can roll around. Once you've rolled that bread, all you need to do is butter one side, and just lightly. We don't want too much butter. Once you've done that and you've got that bread buttered, we're going to put them into a muffin tin to make little bread cases. So pick up a piece of bread that you've already buttered, place it into the muffin tin, and then you just repeat. So no matter how many pieces of bread you've got, just stick them into the muffin tin, give them a little press, and you have a dozen bread cases that you can use for quiches or for pies or whatever you feel like.